Welcome to Rise to the Equation. Interview questions like these are becoming more popular among tech companies and universities. Most employers and university admissions staff want to gauge your mathematical skills, particularly those that rely on your thought process rather than some brute force calculation. For this question, use of a calculator is obviously off limits. After all, they're not asking you to compute either value, only compare by replacing the question mark in the box with one of the three possibilities: less than, equal to, or greater than. Before I reveal the solution, why don't you pause the video and see if you can nail this interview question. The first thing we'll do is rewrite in exponential form. Next, we'll rewrite the fractional exponents using a common denominator, which in this case would be 20. Now let's raise both expressions to the 20th power. And since a power to a power requires that we multiply the powers, the 20s will cancel out. And that leaves us with this. Now we're really close. Some of you may already know these values off the top of your head, but we'll simplify just a bit more. We'll rewrite 3 to the 5th and 4 to the 4th as the following products, which comes out to 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 on the left side, and 4 squared times 4 squared on the right. Those simplify nicely to 9 times 9 times 3 on the left, and 16 times 16 on the right. And now we're home free. Since 256 is obviously greater than 243, that means we can conclude the 5th root of 4 is likewise greater than the 4th root of 3. But only by a whisker. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Also, I'd love to get your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.